So I'm here with Marco at Kempton Park, and he was just telling me about where he used to live in a house on the Isle of Wight. And the extraordinary thing was the activity that was going on, and that it used to be the local train station converted to a residential property. So let's hear what Marco has to say about his experience of his time there. So welcome, Marco.
Hi, Richard.
So tell us what's happening.
It was an extraordinary experience. We moved into this house which we'd rented, and we were told that it was a train station, but wasn't really contemplating any feelings or anything of the nature of that. But as soon as we walked into the place, became aware of a lot of activity. It's almost like I was taken back into time, and I was able to see all sorts of things happening in the station, people passing by. One of the prominent things that comes to mind was as I was looking down at what was the platform, which is now the patio area, there was an old person sitting there in a dark outfit, sitting on a bench against the wall, and this person looked sad. I was very, very aware that of a train going by, an old steam train, and there was a feeling that this person was waiting for someone, and that they waited, and that person never seemed to come. And it felt so sad. This person felt like they were maybe in their 70s or something like that they'd lost someone. But as we were walking up through the bedrooms, and through the hallway in the bedrooms, we became aware of just activity, as if being taken into different time frames, being very aware of people just passing by me, through me almost. And living in that place was interesting, because we would often hear lots of activity upstairs, lots of noise, lots of bangs, footsteps. There you would be aware of someone behind you or something like that. Of course, it was a place full of history, and what was interesting as I felt back into the different time periods, it's almost like the time changed, the atmosphere changed, different time frames of different people. So
So it's like a theatre of activity, different costumes, different times.
Exactly that, different costumes, different feelings, happy memories, sad memories, real prominent times for people.
Why were you attracted to go and live there in the first place?
Well, we don't know, because the place was an attractive place. It apparently had been on the market for a little bit in terms of the rental market, and we just happened to, we've seen it a few times, but then happened to come across it again and thought this feels nice. And it just felt nice. It felt relevant to us as well, because we're in a position where we're working with people, with energy, with things like that, and it's almost like we're at a station, where people are coming in and coming out, and we're working with this. So we've never had a particular intention to be there, but somehow we feel that we're meant to be there for some reason.
Well, usually there's a reason why a house calls us, or we are attracted, a law of resonance, a law of attraction.
Yeah.
Do you feel that there is any part of your being called there was to heal anybody who may have been stuck in those other dimensions?
I do believe so. Yeah, because there's a lot of activity. We're working in a very healing way, and where we ask that we may be guided to places where we can help. So whether it's just our presence which helps, whether it's the activity, the way in which we work, which helps another a soul, or maybe a lost soul, to be able to look up, to reconnect again. You know, but we found we were doing a lot of work there.
So the world of the paranormal is obviously second nature to you. So.
It is, yeah, most definitely. We're working in a position where we're connecting at that level. It's not something which we understand completely, but when we're working with subtle energies, working with people, you can see beyond the surface to really what the underlying thing which is going on with people. And it's nice to be able to be in a position where we're offered the opportunity to be able to help somebody.
That's wonderful. Well, we're all here in service at some level,
So, yeah,
and it's wonderful to hear your story. Thank you.
Thank you so much.